Motion is passion and modification. The only thing that is constant is continuous modification. As your contact partner for all forms of motion and handling tasks, we have been offering you turnkey solutions for over 25 years, from a broad standard portfolio with a high degree of flexibility right through to customer-specific solutions. Our highly trained team works with you and for you to develop the right system. As a one-stop shop, your solution will be planned and the components analyzed, implemented, and tested. Throughout the process, quality and reliability is constantly focused. We are able to manufacture production parts in-house thanks to our subsidiary company, KML Precision Machining. Highest quality is guaranteed throughout the entire process due to process-controlled production sequences, from production order right through to order-related tool presetting. The latest in CAD/CAM technology, combined with our high-quality machinery, facilitate the cost-efficient manufacturing of production parts. Our specially trained employees make the decisive difference here. Only with them can our highly efficient milling and turn mill centers reach their full potential and deliver the highest precision with optimized cutting parameters. We monitor, control, and document every working step for you. Everything is taken care of locally in Vienna, right through to high-precision grinding operation. 100% quality checking of core components, including the corresponding documentation, guarantees KML quality for your application. Our cutting-edge storage logistics undertake to make the necessary production parts available in the desired quality, at the right time, and in the right place, so that you profit from the shortest possible delivery time. The production parts are processed directly in our flexible, lean production, from sub-assemblies to complete motion systems. The necessary wiring and assembly works are optimally aligned with each other. Our focus lies on quality, precision, drive dynamics, and your success. Regardless of whether you require an access system from our wide standard portfolio or you are planning a completely individual solution, we are your partner when it comes to precision motion. From adjustment through to specific connector assignment, we bring your idea to life. Many years of experience with custom and series machine manufacturers in a wide range of areas, from automotive to semiconductor, helps us to understand your requirements quickly and realize them with a complete system. The wide portfolio of our standard systems, optimized for plug-and-play, right through to individual 6-axis systems with repeat accuracies to less than 1 micron, gantry systems on an aluminum, granite, carbon fiber, or mineral cast basis, individual cable management, rotative high-torque motors and combinations of these leave no customer wishes unanswered. Our employees use their expertise to achieve movement accuracies in the sub-micron range at 6 sigma. Process stability, reliability, and maintenance freedom are guaranteed on a sustainable basis thanks to our wide range of know-how. Test runs for all our products complement our quality assurance, meaning that our products deliver what we promise. Our 24-hour telephone support means that we are always reachable. We also offer training sessions at our customers' premises. KML stands out due to our unique product portfolio and flexibility. Motion is your goal and our passion. Let's bring this passion to life.